嗨，大家好，新年快乐，恭喜发财！ Chinese New Year is just around the corner and everyone is getting really excited, including me. Getting really excited about this festive season because this is the time where we get new clothes and get a lot of delicious food on the table and meeting our family and relatives. So today I'm going to teach you 3 phrases that is commonly used when we greet each other during this festive season. The first one is 新年快乐，恭喜发财。新年快乐，恭喜发财。That's the most commonly used phrase when you greet anyone on the street during this festive season. And if you want to greet your business partner during this festive season, this is what you can say. 恭喜发财，生意兴隆，财源滚滚来。Everyone loves to hear this, including a taoge. Taoge is a Hokkien dialect where it refers to the bosses, the business owners. And lastly, the third phrase that you can use this year is 鼠年行大运。鼠年行大运。So how you mix it together is 新年快乐，恭喜发财，鼠年行大运。Chinese New Year is a widely celebrated festive in Malaysia, especially among the Chinese community. We have inherited the culture and tradition from our ancestors, including cultural dance, the various dialects, customs, and food. So there you have it, 3 phrases that you can use this Chinese New Year. This is Cherish Liao. I'm going to create more videos in the future. In the meantime, Happy Chinese New Year!